Alright, so we're going to be doing something a little different with Dad and Son Outdoors due to the current quarantine with the coronavirus going around the world like wildfire. We're going to do something indoors. We're going to do a couple of projects a day, which I think everybody likes. Home renos. What you can see here, if Xavier can pan around and show what I've built, is a kitchen island just out of your basic 2x4 and 2x6 lumber and some trimmer on the sides here. It's even got wheels on the bottom. What we're going to do today, project number one, we're going to bring it outside. We're going to give it a sand. We're going to give it a stain on the top and a stain on the second level. Now we're going to see what it would look like if we maybe painted the sides and the legs white. Maybe some chalk paint or something like that. That seems to be the trend nowadays. And yeah, you know what? We're going to make the best out of this quarantine. What we're going to do is get as much done as we can on the house. We'll use it as an opportunity, not a setback. Coat of stain, mahogany I believe. Very nice color. It's just pine wood, pine spruce, whatever, but it's softwood, so it really soaks up the stain nice. It's going to be a really nice color. Looking good. Professional strokes. Alright, getting on the first coat of primer before we paint it white afterwards.
Alright, so we're just sealing this stuff right here.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll put the primer on. It's gonna look really good.
It's gonna look awesome.
Here's up top.